A circle, and this little handle can be used exactly as a handle to tape it into place so that you can treat a knee just by wrapping some vet wrap around to hold it in place. Very simple little process here. So once you have it in place, all you have to do is punch the little button, and you will see that it's actually blinking, and it will run for 15 minutes. So all you have to do is keep the horse quiet for 15 minutes, let them eat a little bit of hay, and that will complete your treatment. When we're using it on the stifle, you really need something like Elasticon or some kind of sticky tape to hold it in place where my hand is. And you can treat the stifle joint very, very effectively. And it's, for many treatments, it's a little bit of a difficult area to reach. But with this loop, it's really quite simple. Placement on the hock is again very simple. Some horses, it will have a little bit of a tendency to slide down because of the shape of the leg, but you can just snug up your vet wrap. And since it only has to be on for 15 minutes, it's not like we have to have a wrap that stays on while the horse is super active. To treat the foot, you can put it on from the side. Since our active area is inside the loop, 90% of her foot is inside the loop this way. You can also tape it onto the front and get the entire toe area in place. Okay, to treat a sacroiliac joint, it's very simple. You lay it on top of the horse. If the horse is inclined to move, you can put a little bit of Elasticon or even some duct tape just to stick gently to the hair to make sure it doesn't fall off to the side. And you can even leave a blanket on top if you want to, if it's really cold, and leave it in place for 15 minutes. You can really put the loop in any location on the body, wherever you've got trauma, injury, inflammation. Come down and do the shoulder. You could do the elbow. You could come across the withers, any place down the spine. Across the lumbar area. If you have an injury to the point of the hip, you can put it across there. You can put it across the hip joint itself. So really any place on the body where you can lay the loop and either hold it with your hand or put a piece of Elasticon or sticky tape on, you can place this.